Hello, today I'm going to talk about a semicolon with a conjunctive adverb and a comma. This is easy to use in your writing and it makes your writing look a little bit fancier. So you're going to use a semicolon with a conjunctive adverb and a comma between two related sentences. So common conjunctive adverbs are however, moreover, thus, nonetheless, in addition, consequently, furthermore. They're kind of fancy words that you use for transitions or to join things. Now, if you're going to use this rule, you'll have one of these in the middle of the sentence, and then you're going to have a complete sentence on both sides. So the format of that is going to be complete sentence, semicolon, fancy word, comma, another complete sentence, and a period. And as a reminder, you need a subject, which we're going to identify with one line, and a verb, which we're going to identify with two on both sides. So let's take a look at the example sentence I have. Allure will present her research on Friday. However, the meeting is closed to the public. Do you see a fancy word or a conjunctive adverb anywhere? Yes, however. So here's my conjunctive. So now I'm going to focus on the first half of the sentence. Allure will present her research on Friday. As always, find your verbs first. It makes finding your subject easier. What is the verb or verbs? Will present. Who will present? Allure. I could put a period here, but I don't want to. I want to join these sentences together to add a different layer of fluency to my writing. So now let's look at the second half. The meeting is closed to the public. What's the verb? Is. What is? The meeting. That could stand alone. But because I have this word however, I put the semicolon in front of it and the comma after. And so I like to tell my students that they line up in shortest to tallest order. So the semicolon always goes first and the comma goes second. And right here you have your fancy word. So let's write another one together. Kelly was late. Thus, she got a detention. All right, where's my fancy word? Where's my conjunctive adverb? Yes, it's thus right here. So I'm going to check before it. Kelly was late. What's the verb? Was. Who was? Kelly. Now let's check the other side. She got a detention. What's the verb? Got. Who got? She got. Because I have two complete sentences that are related and there's a conjunctive adverb in between, I'm going to put the semicolon before it and the comma after. I hope that helped.